What's up, everybody? I think today, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that I got a treat for you guys here in just a little bit. So I'm not gonna say any more. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, stick around. We'll see what we got.
You know what? I bet you fucking.
All right, so Aaron is just talking when we're trying to introduce.
I didn't know you were filming.
I've been trying to get out here and film for the past hour.
We were just walking out.
Y'all just like, hey, let's
just go work on this lift, even though this new toy is here. Yeah, nothing to say.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
when the camera's out and in your face.
I hate
Here
it.
it is. Here's you hate what?
I hate it. This.
This or me always giving you a hard time.
This. Well, everything. I really hate everything.
So we finally got the FSR here in all her glory. I know we introduced you guys in that Go Hawk speaker video to this. If y'all
watch that. If you haven't, well then, here it is. Here's a Yamaha Big Bear that I've bought off my brother for a ridiculous amount because I'm a good brother. But we're about to get this guy in and I guess start getting the tear down and maybe just a quick walk around, a full walk around, because I know, like I said, that video kind of touched base on it. It's a full introduction to this. So like I said in the past video with doing the Miata diff, it's time to start fixing everything, trying to get everything situated, and this is on that list, so here it is. So
as you see, it's still in the bed of the truck. Mr. Dakota here has delivered it.
Just shove it out.
And Aaron is jumping with joy over it being here.
Just shove it out on the ground.
And
we'll unload it, get it inside, like I said, do a walk around, and we'll pick back up then. See you guys in a second.
Put it down and
yep. There she is in all of what used to be Yamaha glory. Now it's more or less bastardized glory. And it will continue to be, I guess, bastardized glory. Your shirt blends in with that forward or that side by side really well. What's it like being a Polaris, man?
got him. Not Polaris, man. Get out of here.
So here she is. Here's a full walk around. We have the front plastic. Aaron has literally already thrown it off the back. So, what up, Camber?
This is my phone.
Alright, they're fine.
We're missing the racks.
So
here's the back plastic, obviously. Where's the seat?
Yeah, where is the seat?
Why don't you look into the camera?
I don't know.
You really don't know where the seat's at?
You got moved around so much, I don't know where it is.
Oh, no.
History on the seat, and why the seat's a big deal to me over everything, is my wife literally restitched a flag into the seat. It was really cool. Spent a lot of time doing that too.
Yikes.
Took her about a month to do it.
It didn't take her a month to do it. She sat down and did it. You asked her and it took her a month to get to it. It took her a full Friday evening and Saturday evening to do it.
Don't worry, babe. You don't watch our videos, but I got you.
Yikes. Sheesh. Comes with her own pond right here. If you dig, you'll find some electrical tape and some zip ties and leaves and stuff of that nature. We don't have a battery. That's where the battery would go. This card, it's just been sitting open, which was Aaron's favorite deal about it. It's just been sitting open, getting weathered for the past
Year.
Aftermarket grips, which you said these were what brand?
ODI.
Really? Because that looks like a Quad Boss steel right there on the side.
Yeah. ODI.
Well, it looks like Quad Boss.
These are $60 grips.
Not anymore because they're rusted.
They're 60.
This has a button for what?
Winch.
That came what, Dakota?
With it.
Factory. So this has something
The Rhino doesn't even have, which is a factory winch.
a winch in
We're
general.
breaking it down. Oh.
So there she is. Aftermarket synthetic cable right in there. This, did you ever fix the oiler issue?
Yes.
The giant massive leak.
Yeah, so that was a thing.
It does come with a bigger oil cooler and fan.
That was right there?
No, bigger.
Where are they at? In the parts of stuff I haven't got to yet over there?
They're somewhere.
Somewhere. They're somewhere.
They're in my truck.
This has a small lift on it? Yeah?
Yes, 2-inch lift.
2-inch lift with, are these the, what shocks did those come from?
The Rhino.
Were these the Rhino factories?
Yes.
They don't look like it. Rhino factories are normally all black. You didn't get these shocks from the Rhino.
They're hilarious.
Oh, 660 or something. Okay. So to give a little background, what was the four-wheeler doing? Why you decided to sell it? Go ahead and tell your story to the world.
It was running away in gear.
No, tell the full story, like why you finally decided you're going to hang your hat up on this four-wheeler.
I spent too much money on it and couldn't afford to keep putting money on it, so I sold it.
And that's, look at that smiling face. And that's where I come in, the sucker, because I can't pass up a good hunk of shit. So,
For a good price.
I wouldn't go that far. It's just I'm a good brother. So yeah, so this is
I guess the next shop project. Not that we didn't already have some of those going on.
or anything.
We really needed a project, so here it is. So
I guess right now we're just going ahead. It looks like you're already in it,
Yeah.
tearing stuff down. Are you gonna remember where any of this goes?
Yeah.
It's not.
You know who I am?
It's not.
Well, at one
Probably
point,
not.
At one point, you were the Gerv until Brute Force gave you an ass.
That brute force is actually running, and I quote, better than it ever has. So,
but you're not less salty about it.
no.
You just,
It didn't go.
you still hate that machine.
I still don't like it, but
All right, so yeah, here's the intro
To the what we're calling full send regret, the FSR. The reason we call that is because it's going to be a backup bike as of right now. Because when you go full send and you regret it, guess what? You're going to be regretting the fuck out of it when you're riding this thing. So, little tear down. See you guys in a little bit.
okay.
For this life I cannot change. Yeah, they hit. Keep off in the rain. Living it, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change. Yeah, they hit. Keep off in the rain. Living it, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. Drop the top, play hide and seek. Jump inside, jump straight to the lead. Take a sip, feel just how I be. On freeway.
Okay, so there she is, the FSR. Most of it torn down. I would have liked to got the motor out today, but kind of running out of some daylight.
That's what we've got so far. Good chunk torn out. I pretty much, I mean, the swing arm, motor, and then the front suspension, and then that big wrench. Nothing really major. Probably what? How much longer do you think can tear down?
maybe an hour and a half.
So
If that.
yeah, probably an hour and a half, like Aaron's saying.
So it's all just a little small tedious stuff that you normally wouldn't strip off of the frame to say rebuild it or fix a certain thing, but since we're gonna go all the way down to the frame, it's a little more tedious.
And so
On that note, the reason we haven't really said yet. So the reason we're going all the way down the frame is we figured, well, hell, if we've got it, you know, and we're gonna start tearing into it, why not do it and do it right? So we're kind of thinking like a retro build, you know, like tip of the hat to, you know, the way it was supposed to be factory, but with some modern touches. So nothing wild. We're not getting crazy.
we already have wild build as we were talking earlier. Full builds everywhere. So
yeah, we're not trying to get Western with this one. We just simple build, nice, you know, backup machine that looks good. So gonna take it down, probably get this frame powder coated, and then go from there. So stay tuned with this build series.
no, we have not forgot about that one. We were actually just talking about that today. We need to get back on that one. Those of you
Waiting on some brute material I mean, like I said, we still got to get to the Rhino. We got all kinds of stuff. I mean, everything that we do, we're trying to get to. It's just we've had a long laundry list for a minute, so trying to get to it, guys. So just bear with us, those of you who are big fans of this, that, or the other. But yeah, so here's the intro to the FSR. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what you guys think about Big Bears, some of the old school machines. Put in the comments, I mean, what you think we should do, what color we should do the frame, what should we do the plastics, what should we, can you hush? I'm literally trying to talk to these people right now. You're so loud.
Rude.
It's so loud right now.
We're filming professionals.
Yeah, like,
I need a quiet sign somewhere.
We need a
So, so anyway, yeah, let us know what we should do color-wise, frame, you know, color choices. Just put in the comments, what do you think? Turn on your notification bell, you know, if you haven't already. Sub up if you haven't already yet. Also, like this video if you enjoyed it. And I guess from this point forward, as far as the FSR build, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.